are smart. Kids, we will make it smart.
Welcome to episode 5. What is bar chart? Bar charts help us see and compare things easily. Today, let's break down what happened with the bar chart in our adventure. Lily, something strange is going on. Half of our fruits are missing.
Yeah, it's like they've just disappeared.
I know. We need to use our superhero powers to solve this mystery.
Right. We'll track all the fruits with a super cool bar chart.
This bar is way too heavy. Maybe I shouldn't have made it so big.
I'm so fast, no fruit can escape me.
Lily, slow down a bit. Unless we want a fruit salad all over the yard.
Oops, maybe I need to collect fruits a little more carefully.
Okay, now to stack these bars and see what's missing.
This is going to be the best fruit chart ever.
Hee. They won't miss just 1 or 2 or 10.
Max, I just put those apples on the chart. Where did they go? Uh-oh. I think someone's stealing them.
There, it's that sneaky squirrel again.
Quick, let's catch him. I'll catch you, squirrel. Wait. Well, that didn't go as planned.
Oh, this bar is about to fall.
Oops, looks like your bar chart just got squashed.
Hey, quit messing with our fruits.
Ugh, these peels are worse than banana peels.
Alright, let's rebuild this chart, but more carefully.
And I'll be on the lookout for that sneaky squirrel.
Gotcha, you little fruit thief. So, squirrel, why didn't you just ask? We could have shared.
Yes, squirrel, we could have shared you.
Sharing? You mean I didn't have to sneak around? Okay, I was just really hungry.
See, our bar chart shows that the apples and oranges were the ones disappearing the most.
And now we know why.
Oops, I didn't know it was so serious. I just love fruits.
It's okay, squirrel, we all learned something today. This time we'll do it together, and no more stealing, okay?
Deal? I promise. No more sneaky business. Wow, I didn't know a bar chart could be this fun.
Here, squirrel, have some fruits for helping us figure this out.
Yum! Thanks, friends.
We did it, teamwork, superpowers, and a cool bar chart saved the day.
And no more missing fruits.
This bar chart tells the whole story. Apples were disappearing the most, then oranges.
I guess charts really are useful and tasty.
Just don't eat the chart. Hey kids, do you like solving mysteries with charts?
Let us know in the comments. Subscribe, or this squirrel might get sneaky again.
Or I'll steal all your fruits.
And remember, teamwork makes the dream work.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next exciting episode.